Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my box. This box was very much skincare focused and I even noticed it in some of the choices. Felt like the choices I was given this month were not my favorite. However, I do like the box nonetheless, but there's mostly skincare items and then a couple things that I needed. So let's just get into the one item that that they picked out for me, but also the one that I haven't tried out. And that is the Herbivore Moon Dew Retinol Alternative Eye Cream. Now, I am not using retinol right now because I am pregnant and I don't know what it would do. I've heard mixed things on it, so to be safe, I'm just not going to use it until after my pregnancy. But it retails for $48. Need a good night's sleep. This eye cream can help infuse with 1% bakuchiol, which is a natural plant-derived alternative to retinol, and powerful plant peptides. It helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles for a lifted, youthful look. Plus, with continued use, it helps visibly firm up those pesky eye creases without irritation. Packaging is cute. It's purple. It doesn't have a scent, but it's cute. I could see myself potentially liking it, but I have not had a chance to try this out. The next item and the second item that was a power pick for me this month is the Malin & Goats Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. This retails for $52. Are you ready for a moisturizer that actually does it all? Look no further than this superstar formula. It's quick to absorb and intensely moisturizing, leaving your skin feeling balanced and hydrated all day without any sticky residue. And if you thought it couldn't get any better, it even doubles as a makeup primer or an aftershave balm. I really like this. I thought it was going to be a little bit more of a watery consistency, but it's actually very thick, and which is what I prefer when it comes to a moisturizer. And it's got all the good vitamin E moisturizing ingredients, so I really like this and I really feel like I'm going to enjoy this in my collection. My first pick for myself this month is the Skin Inc. Daily Dose of Vitamins A, B, and C Plus, and it retails for $75. Unlock your skin's full potential with help from this pre-blended serum that is specially formulated to help tackle all skin woes. Packed with vitamins A, B, and C, it's like a daily multivitamin for your face that helps leave you with a radiant, even-toned complexion. Now, I did recently start adding serums into my daily skincare routine as well as toners. I feel like, was it last month's box that I really kind of got into more skincare, so I've really kind of been nailing down my skincare routine, and I feel like I've got something that works for me. So far I'm liking it. I don't think I'll be able to tell for a while whether or not it's actually good, but so far I'm liking it, and I like the exfoliating drops. It just kind of feels like it gives my face a good exfoliating base. So far I'm liking it, but I won't be able to tell for a while. My second pick for the month is the Ace Beauty Seal It Up Makeup Setting Spray, and it retails for $28. Ready to seal the deal? This weightless setting spray is here to keep your look on lock from sunup to sundown. This refreshing formula won't make you feel sticky. It just delivers the perfect finish that lasts all day. Now, I actually am needing more setting sprays. I'm about ready to finish up quite a few, and I do feel like setting sprays is a makeup product that I go through quickly, so I was glad to learn that that was in my box. It feels a little bit cheap to me, the packaging and the spray. I mean, it does give a nice mist, but for some reason I just thought I would get a little bit more of a high-end feel. It kind of feels a little bit cheap, but I'm not mad at the results. I've been testing it out for a couple of days now, and I don't really have a full opinion on it yet, except for the fact that I don't hate it. I don't think it's bad. I don't necessarily know if it's as long lasting as it says it is. I'm still, again, trying to get some of my thoughts, and if you are interested in hearing some of my final thoughts on any of these products, let me know down below. I can do more thoughts in my makeup monthlies that I do at the end of every month. But so far I'm liking it. I really am. I think I expected it to be a little bit more drying on the face than I thought it was, because I feel like seal it in kind of setting sprays tend to look more dry on me. I do have a little bit more of a dry skin type, but so far it doesn't look like it's doing any of that. to my skin, which I am thankful for. And the last item that I picked is from Estate Cosmetics. It is the Heat Activated Beauty Sponge. I picked this up because I was running low on beauty sponges. You have to replace sponges every so often because they just get dirty. I just don't like keeping the same ones in my collection for too long, so I was glad to have seen these. But these retail for $18. Flawless finish, anyone? This sponge is the way. The innovative design is activated by warm water and mimics the warmth of your body temperature to help melt product seamlessly into your skin. Plus, the sponge changes color to let you know it's ready to use. I've been using these dry. Honestly, I'm liking it. They're nice and fluffy. I do want to test them wet. I just haven't had the opportunity to do it yet. But they feel like good, durable beauty sponges. And plus, the colors are cute. I got them and I'm enjoying the colors. Yeah, I'm happy to have received this box as a whole. That is everything in my box, and I'm liking everything that I'm trying so far. I think the last couple of months I've been getting into more skincare, and because I have been noticing a difference in my skin since I've added in like doing a toner step, doing a skin serum step, and just I've added a couple of steps into my skincare. All pregnancy safe. I haven't had any problems as a result of that. I can totally do an updated skincare routine if that's what you would like. Let me know in the comments, but I'd be happy to do that. So overall, naturally, I'm more inclined to like makeup in my boxes just because that's the kind of person I am. I'm a makeup lover, but because I've been getting into more skincare lately, I did enjoy this box, and honestly, I got two things that I was running low on in my collection that I needed that I really didn't feel like going out and buying. Like, I enjoy setting sprays, but sometimes I just don't want to buy them. Same with beauty sponges. They're good to have, but it's just one of those items that it's not the most exciting product to buy. I prefer things like eyeshadow palettes and foundations and blushes and all that other fun stuff. But yeah, I'm not mad at this box and the products that I did try. I'm liking it, and I gotta admit, since Boxycharm merged with Ipsy, I feel like the quality of the boxes have gotten so much better. And I didn't hate my boxes before. I actually really enjoyed them, but I did have a lot more misses where I feel like this time around, since this merge, I feel like I'm having less misses and more hits because I'm able to kind of customize the box a little bit more. The quality of the products is a little bit better, and I'm overall just liking it. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And I am currently pregnant, so I've got a lot of that content already on my channel and still more to come. Anyway, if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.